Very good morning to all of you. Today I will discuss on the topic of C++ operator precedence and associativity. So after watching this video presentation, you will be able to define operator precedence, you will be able to define associativity, and finally you will be able to explain the different types of associativity. So let's start with the topic. Now, what is the operator precedence? So you can see that the definition of operator precedence is that it determines which operator is evaluated first in an expression when more than one operator are used in expression with different priority. It means that suppose there is an expression that is x equal to a plus b multiplication c. So this plus is a operator, this multiplication is a operator. So there are many operators of different priority. The priority of plus, the priority of multiplication operator is different. So in this expression, which operation or which operator is evaluated first, that is a operator precedence. So it is a property of the operator. For example, you can see that this is an expression that is x equal to 5 plus 3 multiplication 5. So what will be the final value of this following expression? So you can see that here x equal to 5 plus 3 multiply 5. If I first add these two number, then it will show you this value, that is 8, and after that if I multiply 8 multiply 5, then it will give you the value 40. Is it correct value according to the operator precedence? So you can see here another way of evaluating this expression. In this first, this will be evaluated, that is multiplication, that is 15, and after that it will be added with this value, that is 5, that is equal to 20. So which is a correct? So this value, that is x equal to 20, is a correct value. It is according to the operator precedence in C++, as multiplication operator is having higher precedence. Now what is the associativity? Operator associativity means that it determines the direction in which an expression is evaluated when operator of same precedence are present. Precedence means priority. Suppose there is an expression that is x equal to a plus b minus c. Now here the priority of plus and minus is same. That is usually plus and minus have same precedence. So it can be evaluated from left to right, or it can be evaluated from right to left. That depends upon the precedence. So when there is a operator of same priority, that is here add and minus are having same priority, in that case it will go from left to right. First this expression will be evaluated, after that this will be evaluated. So it can be left to right, or it can be right to left. So there are two type of associativity. The first type is left associativity and the second is right associativity. Left associativity means the operation will be performed from left to right, and right associativity means the operation will be performed from right to left. For example, this is an expression that is x equal to 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. Now this division and multiplication are those operators which are having same priority. So in this phase it will move from left to right, left to right. So first this will be performed, the value will be 5. After that it will be multiplied with this value, the value will be 25, because both division and multiplication have same precedence. So therefore it moves from left to right. And earlier expression, it was like this: x equal to a plus b multiplication c. So here plus and multiplication was having different priority, but when there is a operator of same priority, that is a multiplication b divided c, this operator is having same priority and this operator is having same priority. So in that case it can be left to right or it can be right to left. So now this time I have interchanged the position of the operator. This time there is a multiplication operator and after that there is a division operator. So first this will be evaluated because these two are having same priority. When there is a same priority, then associativity will take place, that is left to right. So first this will be evaluated, that is 15 multiply 3, the value will be 45. After that it will divided by the value 5. So this time the value is 9. So when you use this expression in C++ software or this expression in the software, then you will get this both value, that is x equal to 25 and x equal to 9. After that, this value 9 and 25, it will store in this variable, that is x. Now when you use this expression, then this is a operator. This is which type of operator? This is a assignment operator. That is a simple assignment operator. Now this value will be assigned to this variable, so it is right to left. So that's why associativity of the assignment operator is from right to left. Similarly, if there is expression like this, x plus equal to 1, that is equivalent to x equal to x plus 1. First addition will be performed. Suppose the x value is 5. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. After that, the value will be assigned to this variable. So this plus equal to is a compound assignment operator because it is a combination of simple assignment operator and binary operator. So it is right to left. But when you see this expression, then it will perform this operation as there is only one operator. So addition will be performed. After that, there will be movement from right to left, that it is going to assign the value of x plus 1, that is 6, into this variable x. So this is right to left in case of assignment operator. So you can see that this is a table where this operator is having high precedence. Here the precedence is highest, after that it is going low. So here this is having lowest priority. Also, if you want to use like this, x equal to 5 plus 3 multiply 5. So if you use like this bracket, then in that case, no doubt, this is having priority as compared to higher priority as compared to addition. But this operator is having more priority. So 8, then this will be evaluated. Then 8 5 is 40. If you want to do this operation first, then you have to use this parenthesis because the parenthesis is having highest priority as compared to multiplication and division. So I hope in this video lecture you have understood what is the operator precedence, what is the operator associativity. There are different types of associativity, that is left to right and right to left. And we have also seen the table where the precedence of different operator is provided from highest to lowest. So that's all for today. Thank you.